Actually, I don't know what is going on here. So I want you to explain to me a little what you are doing here today.
Something nice, something blessed, something sweet is going on. 1 year, Homowo, Ada-foah. The men or Homowo Gine, Didi Prampram, wo Kpekple, Bakoton washa mene. Wo na ke shofi o wo ke wo mu efi ready. Kpekple wo efi to aba asawo. Agbe no ba ya wo kushia na ba koto na sha. Wo je. Eji jo mo bi le ba ni na. Je mo fi amo na na.
Please, so what is the meaning of the Kpekple? Why Kpekple? Why do you feel the Kpekple?
Putting at hunger. Putting at hunger. The company can be at the now the international Homowo. Council one Homowo. I say when I believe what on priests. William the Tuame Tomo, Benny Joseph, Akela, Homoko Baba, the one making ato. One is similar to that. What the bear shed a William and not do it. Many nearly neighbor, the near. You don't know what you putting at hunger. Because it is, I don't know, massive. If
Once the hunger was over, he started to.
Yes, so yearly, annually, have to be doing it. And Christ told us to do this in remembrance of him. So our forefathers also told us we should do it to remember those days, alone that day.
Of the people of Prampram, and Homowo means shame to hunger. So today, after sprinkling the Kpekple, this is the paramount chief of Prampram, Ada-foah. Sprinkling of the Kpekple from family house to family house, shrine to shrine. Then after that, the various family houses will also sprinkle this.
And why do you explain the Kpekple around the family
houses? We sprinkle the Kpekple so that the forefathers, our forefathers, those who are gone and dead, those who toiled to, fight for us to gain our freedom, those who fought for the land of Prampram to secure it for us. We believe that when we sprinkle the Kpekple, their spirits, that is their ghosts, will come and also eat. And then they will see that all the toil that they toiled for us has not been in vain. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And repeat your name.
Okay, my name is Awong Adimli from Lower Prampram.
Lower Prampram.
Adimli priestess.
Today is Homowo. First Homowo is in Prampram. So we are preparing Kpekple in Ada-foah first residence. This is the first time, though we've been preparing, but this is the first time. So these are the items we use. You see the soup on the fire, you see the Kpekple, the preparation of the Kpekple, and the chile, of course. Without chile, you can't prepare Kpekple. This is the main sauce, the main fish for the Kpekple. So, yeah.
Why preparing of Kpekple? What's the reason why you prepare the Kpekple? Why do you prepare Kpekple?
The reason of preparing the Kpekple, you know, it was inherited from our forefathers, our old grandmothers. This is how they used to prepare it, and the reason and the cause of it is during the olden days, what we were told, there was hunger. So Kpekple is when there was a food, there was maize. They used it to prepare Kpekple, and every year, every Homowo, first Homowo, in every clan, they prepare the Kpekple. That's our home food, so that they sprinkle it around in remembrance of the old story, the old hunger, the oldest. We used to prepare it to remind and remember our old gone people. So proud of Kpekple, so proud of Homowo. And that's where we meet families. You can see we don't live here, but we all come together when it's spring time. We meet our siblings, our aunties, our mothers, our grandmothers, and we make merry.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
I am a God is said that okay, what was so? Simon was it? Only one name make a one now, men 1 year ago.
When I did be, we will look at how. Me or Kayo or Name, no or Kayo or Name, or Ejake. When the menu or name, Baba, Homojiame. No, I want to buy many Baba, many Rakabia, in a new way, no, many Naka Homoni, what thing, one believe, one brade, no friend. When I believe you are talking, no many knuckle, one young when they are living a walk now, or I put them walk
Can you tell me what you are doing right now?
Me take Kpekple ka wo ho Kpekple akenula malan wona ke njiboni wo ho le wo ha ke akenula ma no ke wo ke tasu e ma ke wo do Kpekple ko bo ite ni ba do no ni bio Kpekple
afise ejaka wa ade wo ka ba ni na buwe akoyi wo mene wo ni e wo chama shia wo ba ye ni wo poto wo wo afi o afi e ane ba ni na woda
na shika hawo no wanga peyo ni chapi woni esuje sano bowa o sano bo ma ejaka Yesu Kristo ni chapi ka chowo na ba fo Yesu o akana ye man le ja fo le nge akeno fe no be ma bore fe no ba ije anga ma ahia Yesu o na kele ye ma lokwa follow ni Yesu pe ka ko nga masi na so manje asano ba na jiha oba ye jiha the seno traumasi ke so po no ji ai ko ga ma uja ni se sai da no twinga please no fe no ba ni wa fiani o no fe no ba ni wa ye jiha ne ngo program fetwa program wa pio ma wona jo no ne pe papa wo noko ka noko pe o so mi o Kpekple ya ka bengu ba ka file ka pio anye oni apo se ka gba le ka pio mi ba apo mo e ja ne pio wa fi ba Kpekple peko bema ma chemu nyuko bema peko bema mi o to wa pe Kpekple ma mi jo wa pe do ba no fe no ba do ba never pay fe no fe no bro wa pe ka draw e ka ba do ba no ko ti on blo anga je aye yani no fe no eba je anga no fe no che wa che ya na o che me keke no bo ne ga mase abanya ba ana o juko ne ga mase abanya na ba peko bema.
What do you use in preparing the Kpekple?
Maize.
Beans.
Maize. Abele.
Okay.
Abele kemuchulu.
Okro.
Yeah. Then we use palm nuts to eat it.
Yeah, for one aka your Kpekple. She was Kpekple actually. She made the dinner. What fair one decide I can just boy you fat. Well, why you power how you make here? I can manage dinner. Once money one Kpekple. That she and then what do you near me she was. Nyame wa meba na ba kwa wa na meka wa ye ni amekwa wa ni wona wala ko ni da tie ni wa ho wa ha e ja ke mo take
Le wo je ho Kpekple ha wo no mo ni amegbo yi.
nu mu agi ame wo ha
Ancestors.
ike nyame yo abe ho shinga me shuwa ni wa ba dra wo de cheme wo di side ake wo wo ba ho Kpekple ni wo ka fe kome ni wo nya ni wo ye ni wo hwe she ame what chama aka me fe ko ekoda she wo yi no na wo fe no wa me mi aka fu she ame ba wa wo wo fe ka wo to ame no ame ka ke no ji me na bi na ni wo ye bi ene e wa committee wa ya ta me ni fe nye ba ye
Thank you.